Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fashionverse. Hope you guys are doing great, and let's continue with Ooty vlog part 2. We arrived at this beautiful open cafe called Lay Cafe, as you can see on the board, and it was really nice, an open cafe with all the amazing items that you can see displayed here. Besides this, there was also a lot of other things which they were preparing live and then they were serving you. So I had a great time, having and trying the food items here. And yes, let me first give you a tour of the cafe and then we'll move on to what I have here. So yeah, a nice open ambience, and since the weather was quite it wasn't hot, so the experience was really great. It was bright sunny day and not too hot, not cold, absolutely. So a very nice ambience to be and sit outside, and this is your entire 360-degree trip that I gave you guys. So our food has come. Here it is. Really yummy. Looks yummy. I haven't tasted it yet, but it definitely looks yummy. So this is a barbecue chicken burger, and this is my lemonade. So let me just have it. Thoroughly enjoyed my burger with the lemonade. Guys, if you're in Ooty, please do visit this cafe. At least you can spend one afternoon here, definitely. And yes, I was just not eating, but it was also accompanied by a lot of gupshup and enjoying the view. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you do visit here and share your pictures with me. And then we decided to take a good stroll exploring the city just by walking and not taking any transport as such. And so this is our walk, nice good walk, wearing my mask, and yeah, this is where we are taking the walk. For me, I guess the best way I can absorb the flavor of the city is actually being with the locals and exploring the local food or maybe places and everything. And this is where I'm talking again with my husband who is totally not interested. So I thought, let me again start with my walk which we were doing since I think last 30 minutes. And yes, so what I was saying is, yes, if you really want to absorb the flavor of the city, just don't just only go to the touristy places, but explore the city as well. And that's what we are doing. And yeah, it's pretty awesome, just two of us, not too crowded, and going through the city lanes. It's pretty amazing. We always look for good hotels, right, like to basically witness such amazing views, but I think just a walk can also give you and let you witness such amazing views. So I think I'm pretty much enjoying my walk. And yes, please wear your shoes. Don't wear any heels and stuff when you're walking on any roads of the hill station, because as you see, they are quite not straight, and you just have to go up and down. So it's better you wear your shoes and then enjoy the walk. After this long and amazing walk, we are finally heading for Fern Hills Royal Palace, which has been converted into a hotel, and a lot of Bollywood movies like Raz, Golmaal have been shot here. And now we're really tired, so we decided to take an auto ride, and this is pretty amazing. I managed to bargain and he agreed to take us to the hotel in just 100 rupees. And now entering the hotel premises. Yes, this is so huge. We have just entered and we are still entering. I certainly got the royal vibes. The color combination and how this property is maintained, and everything here is royal. And this is inside the hotel. Basically the restaurant where we just had tea, but you can have your dinner, lunch, anything. They also have buffets here. So yeah, This is also nice. And certainly we couldn't leave this place without clicking some nice pictures. And after coming back to the hotel, we witnessed this beautiful sunset from our room window. And with this beautiful sunset, I would like to end this part of the vlog. Please stay connected. In the next part of Ooty vlog, part 3, I'm going to cover the main attractions of Ooty city. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Fashionverse for the latest updates. And also you can follow me on Instagram. Bye guys. Take care.